Good morning, class 9th. So today we start the exercise 2.5, question number 4th. Up to 3rd we already completed. Now we have to discuss question number 4th, 5th and 6th in the today class. So 4th question is express each of the following using suitable identities. 4th one, first part is x plus 2y plus 4z square. X plus 2y plus 4z square. The identity number, I think 5th or 6th maybe, that x plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz and plus 2zx. So this one we have to apply here. Now x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, 2x and y plus 2yz, y, this will be y, this will be z, y, z plus 2zx, z and x. Now x square plus the square of 2y is 4y square plus the square of 4z. The square of 4 is 16, 16z square. Plus, now 2 into 2 it is what? 4xy plus 2 into 2 4, 4 4 is 16, 16yz. And plus 2 4 is 8, 8zx. This will be the answer. Now, second part. In that second part, it is 2x minus y plus z square. So now again x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy, 2x and y. These are the xy. Now wait a minute. Here the sign is minus. So here if you mention minus, okay. Here also we have to mention the minus. Plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now the square of 2x is 4x square plus the square of minus y is y square plus z square plus. Now listen, plus minus will be multiplied, that minus 2 2 is 4. 4xy plus minus will be minus 2yz. Now plus plus will be 4zx. This will be the answer. Now third part is as it is. Third, fourth, fifth, all are like that only. Okay, simply put that values and you will get the answer. Now I will do the sixth part. Sixth part a little bit hard. That's why. One upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 square. Now x square, the square of 1 upon 4a plus the square of minus 1 upon 2b plus the square of 1 plus 2ab. So 2a is what and b is what? Plus 2bc, this one, and plus 2ca means 1 and this, and 1 upon 4a. This we have to solve. Now the square of a is what? A square upon 4 square is 16 plus b square upon 4 plus 1. Now this 2 and this 2 we can cancel, and plus minus will be that the minus 1. Okay, minus a into b ab and divide by 4. Okay. Here also we can cancel 2 and 2. So finally we left only 1 into b into 1, then minus b. And this 2 and 4 will be cancelled 2 plus a upon 2. This will be the answer. Now fifth question. 4x square. Now opposite of the question number 4th is the fifth question. Opposite. We have to form the formula. In the first part, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay. Now we have to form it like this will be the square of 2x, we all know. This will be the square of 3y. This will be the square of 4z. Up to there I think all the things are clear. Now, what is the formula that 2ab? 2a is what? This will be a, this will be b. So 2ab means 2x and 3y. Now 2 2s are 4, 4th is a 12xy coming, means our answer is right. Plus 2bc, this one, these two. Okay. So 3y and 4z. Now the main thing is that here answer coming in that minus, this one minus. Now listen carefully. Means we have to apply minus here or here, any one point. We don't know this one. If I put it here, suppose, अगर मैं यहाँ put करता हूँ, then this also we have to put because minus 3, this only the minus. But we know the answer come here plus, so no need to put it here, means we have to put it here, minus 4z and minus 4z. Then only the answer will come 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, minus 24yz. Okay. And the last one is what? Plus 2. 4 and 2. First and last. 2, 4z and 2x. Now again answer coming minus because we know the 4z is the minus 1. So here we have to put minus. Okay. And this will be the square of which one? 2x plus 3y minus 4z square. This one is square. This is the simple way for doing this question. Clear this one? Now, second part. Two x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2y yz minus 8xz. Now, we have to form a square of 2, but we don't know the square of 2, so what can I write? Root 2x square. Now y square we have to form. Now 8 is there. What we can write? We all know 8 we can write as a 2 root 2. How? Make the factor of 8 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. This will be the pair. So 2 and 1 left. So we can write 2 root 2. This we already learned in the class 8th also. So this will be 2 root 2 z. Now the main thing start. What is the formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy. Which is the x term? This one. And which is the y term? This one. Now I want the answer in the minus one. See that answer in the minus means One of them will be the minus. Now which one? We don't know. Okay, afterwards we will see. Now plus again 2xy then 2yz. Okay, 2yz means y and z will be your 2 root 2z. And plus 2zx, 2 root 2z and root 2x. Now the main thing is we have to put the sign, but where? We don't know. If I put it minus here, suppose look at that, if I put it minus here, and 2 root 2 is where? This one. Then also plus minus will be minus के. अगर देखो मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ, यहाँ पे, suppose यहाँ, then the answer came plus minus minus. Then here also we have to put, and answer is here minus 1 plus, so I have to put it here also. Means यहाँ नहीं आएगा, it will not making, only y, and that z1. Now see, now plus minus minus, minus plus, again coming plus, not, means this will also minus, here also minus, here also minus. Now we will see. Now plus yz, इसको हटाना पड़ेगा. Now see, फिर यार ये दोनों आ रहे हैं ना, एक्स वाई तो माइनस का है, बट वाई जेड प्लस का है. दिस वन विल बी द नॉट काउंटेड एक्स. नाउ सी दैट plus minus coming minus means y having the minus, this y having. Now minus minus plus coming means z also having, and here also z having that minus. So this will be formed basically root 2x minus y and minus 2 root 2 z square. This will be the answer. You have to face some difficulty in forming the plus minus. The main thing is you can see the plus minus is here, that plus minus 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 plus and minus plus minus. Here you can solve it. So up to the square one question will be completed. Now from the tomorrow class we start the cube one question. Question number 6th. We will start from the cube one. So up to this, clear all the things and your doubts. Afterwards we start the next questions in the next class. Thank you all of you.